Hi students, today I just wanted to show you what I expect from your week 9 email. So you're going to find it in week 9 and it's due on Sunday before you go to bed. So follow these instructions. So the subject of your email is summer plans and to J. MacArthur at emcnlink.com. Number 3, the greetings say hi Julie. Number 4, I hope you are well today. Number 5, introductory sentence. I am writing to tell you about the 3 activities I am most looking forward to doing when the COVID restrictions are done. You can scroll down here to find the rest. Number 6, firstly, and that's the first thing you want to do, plus why you want to do this. Secondly is the second thing you want to do, plus why you want to do this. And lastly is the third thing, plus why you want to do this. Number 7 is your concluding sentence. It should be very similar to number 5, your introductory sentence. And then you've got number 8, your closing, which is take care and stay safe, and then your first name. When you're all done, you should come and turn it in, so I know you did it. So now you're going to copy those instructions down so you don't forget them. You can write them. You can also just take a picture of them on your phone so you can see what they are. I'm just going to flip between my screens. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to open Gmail. And I'm going to go to Compose. And in the To section, now I'm going to flip back to my classwork so I can see. So now I have 2 tabs open. I've got my email and I've got the classwork. So in the To section, I need J. MacArthur at EMCN Link. So I'm going to type that in here. And it already came up. And let's see what they wanted me to do for the subject. The subject is summer plans. So I am going to type that in here. Now down here, I need to follow Julie's requirement. So the greeting is, hi Julie. And I've got, I hope you are well today. Okay. So my greeting is, hi Julie, with a comma, enter, enter. I hope you are well today. Okay, enter, enter. And the next line says, I am writing to tell you about the 3 activities. So you could copy that and put it in there. I am writing to tell you about the 3 activities that I am most looking forward to when the COVID restrictions are done. And first of all, I would like to, and whatever you want to do. And then you could say why. So I have really missed doing this. So that is my first thing I want to do. Okay, and then you go on to the second thing, or secondly, I would like to, and then you go on and you give your reason. And thirdly, and give me your next reason, okay? And one goes after the other. Then go back to this email. What is the last thing I need to say? The last thing is my concluding sentence, so it needs to be very similar. So I've got to finish off and then take care and stay safe, okay? So now after I'm done with that, I'm going to say, those are the things that I most want to do, and hopefully they will happen soon. Hopefully, whatever you guys want to write, okay? And then you're going to sign off. That's it for now. Take care and stay safe. And then your name, okay? You make a space, actually, whatever your name is. And then you read it over. But now I just want to show you a trick here. So down at the bottom, you've got these 3 dots. Oh, I can't access them right now. Okay, just a sec here. So there are 3 dots down at the bottom, right down here. And with the 3 dots, you can check your spelling. So click check spelling, and then it will highlight anything that looks strange. Okay, and so after I change it, like maybe it'll give me a hint. Do I want to do something different? No, I want to keep it like that. Okay, and then you can recheck if you want. And then once you're done, you read it over, you can click send. And when you sent it, then you're going to go back to the classroom and you find the assignment where it says view assignment and you click as done. So that's it. That's how you do this email.